Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. As you all know, we are discussing exercise number 1.2. Today we will start question number 8. In question number 8, he is saying that it is given that E is equals to P, Q, R, S, T, U and Y is P, R, V. Then list the members of Y complement. Means you have to write down all the members of Y complement. So what you have to do, you have to find out Y complement. Y complement means E minus Y. So E set contain P, Q, R, S, T, U minus Y set contain P, R, V. So what we have to do, we have to find out the difference. So which element present in the first set and not in the second set? Q and S, T and U. So these are those elements which are present in the first set but not in the second set. So these are all the members of Y complement. Okay students, now question number 9. In question number 9, E is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20 means all the elements from 1 to 20. P is set of prime numbers in E means in this set prime numbers are also present. So P is set of prime numbers in E. So what are the prime numbers? P is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are those numbers which comes in their own table but they do not come in any other table. For example, 2 comes in its own table but 2 is not present in any other table. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So these are the prime numbers which belong to this set E. E is the universal set. Okay students, now in question number 9, second part, E is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. P is set of prime numbers in E. What you have to do, you have to list all the elements of set P complement. Means you have to find out P complement. And what is the meaning of P complement? We have to do E minus P. So first, for our convenience, we write down all the elements of set E, 1 to 20, all the elements. Then put the minus sign and then write down the set P. P means the prime numbers. So here the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So our answer will be 1, 2 and 3 are present. So 4, similarly 5 is present, 6, 7 is present, 8, then 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. So this is our answer of P complement. Now in the third part, you have to draw the Venn diagram for this set P complement. Okay, for the Venn diagram, first we will draw a square box. This square box is representing the set E, means this box contain all the elements of set E. Now we will draw a round circle and in this round circle you will write down the elements of prime numbers, mean those elements which are of set P. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 17, these elements were written in the circle. And E, and in this box of E we will write down those elements which are not belong to this set T. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. These are those elements which are not in this circle. So we will write down all those elements here. Now how we will distinguish that this diagram is for the complement of set? Means how you will show that this is the answer of P complement. What we will do, we will shade this box, excluding this circle. We will shade this box, and this shading will tell us that these numbers 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20 is our answer of P complement. Okay students, now we will do question number 10. In question number 10 he is saying that given that the universal set is set of all the integers, means universal set is set of integers, and set of integers is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 up to so on. What is the complement of the set of negative numbers? Negative numbers means the negative integers. So the negative number in this set of integers is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So what you have to do, you have to find out the complement. And for the complement, what you will do, you will write E minus Z. E is the universal set and this Z is representing the integers, and this negative sign is showing that these are the negative integers. So firstly we write down the universal set, put the minus sign and then the integers. So when we find out the difference, 0 is present in the first set, so we will write down 0, it's not in the second set. Similarly, plus 1, minus 1 is present, so we will not write minus 1. Similarly, 2, 3, up to so on. So this will be our answer. Okay, thank you so much students.